Thutha wa mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta kwanirira nimegukorwo na giikaro na atwarithia a bodaboda, riu minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Dr Fred Matiang'i niathagnirie mucemanio uyu kuria ahinyiriirie thirikari ni gutheria na yeherie mageca mothe maria makoretwo ruhonge-ini ruru. Hindi ya mucemanio uyu Matiang'i niaugire ino noyo njira iria iguteithiriria kuhukia waganu uria ukoretwo sekta-ini ino, akiuria atwarithia aya kugia na uigiririki na gwitikira kunyitanira na thirikari kuona ni hariirie kumateithiriria na kumahura njeki kuria kurabatarania. Ndeto iria ikiritwo mukonde ni minista wa ukiyaniria Muceru.
Over 6 million people directly getting their livelihoods from you, and then you're supporting over 22 million.
Truly understand, and we are alive to the fact that this is a critical sector of our economy. As I've asked it several times before, which government will play games with over 2.5 million of its citizens who are engaged in economic activity? I mean, we will probably be the most foolish government on earth. And we are not, we are not. We are a smart government led by a very serious person.
Mwena-ini wao atwarithia ya maugite ni metikirite kurumirira mawatho na mitaratara yothe iria gathikitwo, makiyandikithia thirikari ikorwo ikimateithiriria ndeto-ini igie utongoria, magitariria kuri na andu makoretwo magitabania ithurano mahinda kwa mahinda mugaru na uria maiguithanirie.
Which government will ignore 2.5 million of its citizens? What we want to do is reform this sector so that it's actually beneficial to all of us. Because, and this is my second point, it takes leadership and courage to do the right thing.
Maugite kwaga urumwe no nyitaniri mwega ni imwe cia itumi iria ikoretwo igicungiriria waganu ruhonge-ini ruru, makiranira gutheria na gutigirira mutwarithia wothe ni eyandikithia na ari na marua ma kuonania ni mutwarithia wa bodaboda.
Andu aria matari a bodaboda thiini wa kitengo kiria haria othe mararutira wira ni mekurikia kwero hatu iria yagiriire, na ni tura register members aria marutaga wira wa bodaboda nigetha makorwo mena namba ciao iria cioetwo nginya thiini wa ofisini cia thirikari, kugerera kwa OCS, kugerera kwa chief wa itura na kugerera nginya kwa OCPD.
Team will carry information the county, sub county, up to ward, up to stage level. Next of kin, ID numbers of the bodaboda riders and all their telephone numbers.
Wiyandikithia uyu ukoretwo ugithie na mbere guothe bururi-ini na gukinyiria riu atwarithia makiria ma 5,000 ni marikitie kwiyandikithia. Thiini wa gikaro kia umuthi na minista wa ugitiri wa thiini, atwarithia a bodaboda meranire kurutithania wira mari hamwe niguo gutigirira waganu uria ukoretwo sekta-ini ino ni wahuka. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.